With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, this is match and find the correct option of column 1 and column 2. So we have to match them and then we have to find the correct options from over here. Alright, so first let's start with siphonogamy and zoidogamy. Okay. So let's discuss over here. Siphonogamy. So this is a type of fertilization that takes place by the formation of pollen tubes. Okay. Fertilization that takes place by the formation of pollen tubes. Okay. If we talk about zoidogamy, it is the type of fertilization in which there are ciliated male gametes that take part in the process of fertilization. Okay. These ciliated male gametes take part in fertilization. All right. Now both these fertilization occurs in cycles. These both fertilization occurs where? It occurs in cycles. All right. So our first option or A option can be written with option number 4 from the column B. Okay. Moving on to the second term, that is living fossil. So if we talk about ginkgo, this is a living fossil. Okay. These are non-flowering plants. All right. And they belong to the division that is known as Ginkgophyta. Okay. Now, from this division, only this plant is alive. Okay. Only ginkgo is alive from this division, that is Ginkgophyta. And we do obtain fossils. Fossils are obtained. And living species have also been obtained for the Ginkgophyta. Sorry, for the ginkgo. Have also been obtained for ginkgo. Okay. So now if we match our columns, so living fossil, that is B, will go with option 3 from the column number 2. All right. Okay. Moving on to the liverworts. So liverworts belong to the phylum, belong to Bryophyta. Correct. Now these bryophytes are the animals, or sorry, the plants that can live in both land and water. So they can live both in land and water. So they are also known as, that's why they are also known as amphibians of plants. or amphibians in plants. Okay. So if we talk about that, both the animals that live both in land and water, they are known as amphibians, right? So these bryophyta belongs to the category of plants. So they live both in land and water. So they are also known as amphibians of plants or amphibian in plants. All right. Okay. Now these plants require water. Why do they require water? They require water for migration. Okay. Migration of what? Migration of male gametophyte to the female gamete. Female gamete. Okay. And this is during when? This is during the sexual reproduction. So for this, the examples are liverworts. So if we go back to our options, for option C, in column 1, we can match it with the amphibians of plant kingdom, right? With option number 1, because these are bryophytes, and bryophytes are also known as amphibians of plant kingdom because they live in both land and water. Now our option number 4 is double fertilization. Double fertilization, if we talk about, so we can discuss over here about Arachis, which is a group of flowering plants. All right. These plants belong to the pea family. And their fertilization is called as double fertilization. All right. In this fusion of male gamete and female gamete, like when there's a fusion of male gamete and female gamete, they form zygote. Okay. And this zygote gets developed in embryo. And another male gamete it fuses with secondary nuclei. Secondary nuclei to form endosperm. Okay. So over here, our double fertilization from the column 1 will go with Arachis over here in column 2 with option 2. Okay. So now our correct answer from the options, we can say that A goes with 4, B goes with 3, C goes with 1, and D goes with 2. So our option number 4 becomes the correct answer over here. I hope I have solved the question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.